Welcome to the Imperium Forex daily video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, in the last 24 hours, the Australian dollar has been taking a slight breather against its counterparty, the US dollar, with a sideways price action over the last 4 days since the market did stab a high on Friday of 76.93. Has not made any more, or should I say, not staged any significant moves to the upside, with the resistance still capping around 76.70 figure. I still expect to see weakness to eventually return, with the indicators now dropped away from the stochastic and also on the RSI. Does look for a move towards 76.25 and even possibly towards 75.70 before the market starts taking profit from the short position. Well, although the dollar index didn't make any significant moves to the downside and still holds above 92.55 and hugging to the handle of 93.00, the euro has actually made a stage to the upside and now looking towards that recent rejection point at 118.60. It is viewed that the market will fail towards that level, and I do expect to see a retreat from there and look back towards 117.65, with the base still holding at 116.90. Dollar yen is slightly on the firmer case and now looks towards the resistance of 113.05 since the recent break to the upside. In the last 24 hours, I expect to see further coverage to a target of 113.60 and reassess from there. Any pullback should find support now at 112.40. The pound also hasn't made any significant moves in the last 24 hours and still remains capped around 134. Overall, I expect to see further weakness and look down towards the target coming in now at 133.30 and with the objective still at 132.60. The gold outlook is improving slightly and now looks towards the 65 resistance and possibly up towards the vicinity of 68 to 76. Any dips, I'm still a strategy on buying, and towards 58 should find demand. And with the indicators breaking to the upside now should strengthen the upside case. Silver also looking still relatively bullish, as you can see here, and I'm looking towards 16.25 as an initial target, with the base now coming in now at $15.90. Reassess from 25 because we could even stretch up towards 40 as an objective, as this pattern is slowly strengthening over the last 12 to 24 hours. I'm wrapping up with oil. I'm still currently bearish, and I still expect to see the market fail towards that 58.85.95 resistance. Overall, the bearish outlook should hold towards $54.70.80 a barrel. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day that's ahead.